Hold your hand up. You have a big piece? Okay, empty the crumbs out. Alright, all done. No more chips, they're all gone. Say bye-bye, birdies.
Bye-bye, birdies.
Go chase them. Go chase the birds.
Chase the
Run,
birds.
birds, run, run, run. Chase them. Watch out. Chase those birds up here, Abby.
Hungry, huh?
Yeah, they're so hungry.
Aren't you glad that you fed them so they won't be hungry?
Yeah,
You're a good person, huh?
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I will feed birds again.
You wish you would feed the birds again?
No, I wish I don't feed the birds again.
Yeah, that would be fun, huh?
They'll sneak up on the old. They're the mighty birds. Abby say, "Caw, caw."
Look at that pigeon.
That's a pigeon. Yeah, those are pigeons.